Go, Badr. Thank you.
Yes, mister.
Okay.
It,
Okay, guys. Good morning. Guys, good morning. Today, inshallah, we'll do lesson 4, area of regular polygons. So please try to focus with me as much as you can. Okay. Yes, Abdul Rahman. Yes. Abdul Rahman, put your hand. Yes.
yes, mister.
Yes, Yabni.
I was have a question in the homework.
We answered your questions, right?
No. No,
Which
mister, you
question,
were
Yabni?
absent.
Yeah, I know, Yabni. I know. Which question,
Question two.
Yalla?
Question two.
Question 2, base 1, how much?
Base one
How
is
much
5.
base 1?
7.
7. And base 2, how much?
7.
How come 7, Yabni? The whole base I want, not part from it.
We will make a plus 2
Yes,
plus 7
Yabni.
plus 2.
Yes, plus 2.
Okay. Now I know it.
خلاص. 7, 11, height given. Apply the formula, right?
Okay.
Okay, guys. Area of regular polygons. Now, what's the meaning of polygon, guys? It's a closed line segment figure. Closed line segment figure.
I
Now,
have
when I say regular,
question.
when I say regular, who's talking?
Better.
What ya Badr?
I have question number 7.
Question number 7.
Yes.
Mal question number 7. Find the height. What's the problem?
I didn't know how to
طيب
do it. And I
طيب
understood.
ماشي. You don't know how to. خلاص don't talk. طيب, do you know how we did the check page 458? Do you
Yes.
understand it?
Yes.
خلاص, do the same way. Do the same way.
Okay. Thank
If
you.
you understand this, يا ابني, focus with me حبيبي. Because you do the homework, guys, you do the homework before you studying the examples and the check questions, which we did. You directly go to the homework, which is wrong. If you did this and you understand this, it is the same of this, nothing different, but the numbers, okay? Focus with me here, guys, focus, الله يسعدكم. Now, regular polygons. Polygons, we have different types of polygons. For example, if we have a triangle means we have 3 sides. 3 sides. Quadrilateral means we have 4 sides. 4 sides of the polygon. Type. Pentagon means we have 5 sides. And we have names, special names, until 10 sides, I think. We have hexagon, we have heptagon, octagon, nonagon, decagon, until 10 sides. These we call them polygons here, polygons. Now, how we find the area of the polygons, guys? How we find the area of the polygons? Before I start with the area of the polygons, I need to tell you what's the meaning of regular polygon. What is the regular polygon? A regular polygon is a polygon with equal sides and angles. Means if we have a polygon like the hexagon, hexagon means 6 sides. 6 sides. 6 sides, okay? If we have a hexagon with 6 sides, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is hexagon with 6 sides, okay? If I have regular hexagon means what? Means all the sides have the same length. Means if one side is 5 inches, then the whole side should be 5 inches. All of them. All. This is, we call it regular polygon, hexagon. So in general, what's the regular polygon? It's a polygon with equal sides and angles. If one side is given, then the whole side are known. Now, how we find the area of the regular polygons. Now we took some of the polygons like parallelograms, like triangles, like trapezoids. We took these as formulas for each one, right? We took formula for each one. Right. How we find the area of the regular hexagon? For example, this one. The first step to find the area of the regular polygon, guys, is to split, to divide the polygon into triangles. This is, we call it the center of the polygon, into triangles like this. Look. What I did here, I have regular hexagon with base side 5 inches, okay? And what I did also, I divided the hexagon into congruent triangles, and congruent triangles, congruent triangles means they have the same area, they are the same. Means this triangle, same of this, same of this, same of this, same of this, same of this. They have the same area. Now, if I know the height of one triangle, let's say that the height here is, let's say, 4 inches. What we have now, we have a triangle with base 5 and height 4. And because they are all congruent triangles, means each triangle of them has the same base and the same height. Means if this 5, this 4, if this 5, this 4, 4, 4, 4. Now what I have here, guys, I have 6 triangles with base area and height equal in all of the 6 triangles. Now to find the area of the whole polygon, what I will do, I will find the area of one triangle, then multiply by 6 because they have the same. So here, how I will find the area of this hexagon? I will say A equal 6. Why I will start with 6? Because I have 6 equal triangles. Multiply area of A means 1 triangle, which is equal to 6 multiply. We know the area of the triangle. It is half base height, which is equals to 6 multiply half. The base 5. The height given 4 equal. Now multiply. Half of 4, 2 by 5, 10 by 6, 60. 60 what? Inches power 2. So guys, how we find the area of regular polygons? Regular. This way, only for the regular polygons. Other polygons? No, it has another way. Regular means all the sides are equal. What we do here, I divided the polygon from the center into triangles. If we have 6 sides, means 6 triangles. 7 sides means 7 triangles. 8 sides means 8 triangles, and go on. Let's take another example. For example, if I have a regular focus, a regular pentagon. Pentagon means 5 sides. 5 sides. Look here, guys. I'll write them for you here. We said 3 sides triangle. 4 sides, we call it what? What we call it? Quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. 5 sides, we call it pentagon. 5 sides, we call it pentagon. 6 sides, we call it hexagon. 7 sides, we call it heptagon. 8 sides, we call it octagon. 9 sides, we call it nonagon. And 10 sides, we call it decagon. After the 10 sides, it has no special name. If we have, for example, 11 sides, what we call it? We call it polygon. We call it 11 gon, like this. 11 gon means a polygon with 11 sides. It has no special name. 12 sides, we call it 12 gon. 13 gon. 18 gon means what? A polygon with 18 sides. But until 10, we have special names. Okay, special names. Now let's go back here. A regular pentagon with this. Regular pentagon means 5 sides. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. When I say regular, means they have the same side lengths. Don't forget that. Let's assume, given the base, let's say 6 feet, the base or the side length 6. 6 means if this 6 and it's regular, means this is 6, 6, 6, 6. They have the same. How we find the area? We start from the middle and split the polygon into triangles. From the center, go to the corners. Now, because we have 5 sides, I will have 5 triangles. Let's assume that the base or the height for each triangle is 7 feet, for example. What I have here, I have 5 triangles, 5 triangles. Each triangle of them has base 6 and height 7. How we find the area now of the whole polygon? A equal, how many triangles we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Multiply area of one triangle, which is equals to 5 multiply, we know the area of the triangle, half base height. All the triangles have the same base and the same height. So it's enough to find area of one triangle, then multiply by the number of the triangles. This is equal half 5 multiply. Half multiply the base given, the height given. Find your answer. Half of 6, 3 by 7, 21. Multiply 5, 105 feet power 2. So how we find the area of the triangle, of the polygon, guys? We just find area of one triangle, then multiply by the number of the triangles, congruent triangles. Congruent means they are the same. They are the same. This is the idea of this lesson. Now, directly, let's go to example 1. Let's go to example 1. Example 1, page 464.
مستر أنا ما
Example
بقدر
1.
أرفع إيدي.
مين؟ ليش مالك يا بدر؟
لا لأنه داخل من اللابتوب.
بتوجعك يعني؟ إيدك
لا.
بتوجعك شيء؟
لا أنا نفسي أرفع إيدي بس ما بقدر لأنه داخل من اللابتوب أمي وما برضى يرفع إيدي. طيب
خلاص مو مشكلة. Do you understand يا ابني؟
Yeah, I understand everything. Can I answer?
Good. No. Bardawil, read.
Okay, Mr. Example 1. Find area of regular polygon. A stop sign in shape like a regular octagon. Each side.
Best, thank you. Regular what?
Octagon.
Means how many sides we have?
8 sides.
8 sides. I will graph it here. I will try to. It's difficult. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let me just fix this. No. Yes. Let's count the sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 sides called what?
Octagon.
Octagon. Okay. Regular octagon means all of the sides have the same length, which is how much? Read the question.
Each side of the sign is 15 inches long and
That's each side of the sign is 15, means this 15, 15, 15, all of them is 15 inches, right? Continue.
yes, and measures 36 inches between parallel sides.
Bas, this is important information. Measures 36 inches between the parallel sides. What are the parallel sides? The opposite sides. Means this one with this one. This one with this one. The opposite. اللي قبال بعض يعني. If the side يعني means the distance from 15 here to the down, the opposite is 36, right?
Yes, 36.
The center, guys, be at the middle always. The center be at the middle. But if the whole 36, what's the middle of them? The half of them. I'm asking you.
Mister, can I say it?
What, ya Badr?
3.
The half of 36 is
لا.
it 3.
12 by 3.
Subhanallah.
18, Mister.
يا ابني ايش دخل ال 12 وال 3؟ I want the half of 36. ايش 12 by 3 هذه؟ من وين جبتها؟
18,
نص
Mister.
ال 36. The half of 36. How much يا أحمد؟
18 inches.
So this is 18 and this is 18. Why? Because the whole side or the whole length is 36. Means the half of them, because the center is at the middle always, 18, right?
Yes.
What's this? This is the height. Okay. Now let's split the polygon into triangles. From the center, I will go to the corners like this. See? Now, what I have here, I have base 15 and height how much for the triangle?
18.
18. How many triangles I have?
8 because 8 sides.
Exactly. We have 8 triangles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because we have regular octagon, the whole triangles, all of the triangles have the same area. Got it?
Yes.
Now, how we find the area of the whole octagon? What I will do?
We will do the same area of the triangle, and what we will have, we will multiply it by 8.
What we start? We start like this. See? Always. So what I will write here?
8 multiply the area of triangle.
Area of a triangle. So the whole area is 8 because we have 8 triangles. Multiply the area of a triangle. Here, 5 triangles. 5 multiply area of a triangle. Here, 6 triangles. 6 multiply area of a triangle. So let's go back to our example. This is equal 8 multiply. What's the area of the triangle, ya Ahmed?
The area of
ما خدناهاش هذه صح؟ يلا ايش الاريا اوف التريانجل؟
half multiply BH.
ممتاز. Half BH. The formula which we did. Now replace P by the base side given, which is how much?
15.
15. Replace height by the height which we split it. It was 36 the whole. It's 18, so the height is how much?
18.
Now I'll multiply all of these numbers together. I'll use my calculator to save time. This is 8 multiply half multiply 15 multiply 18. The answer is 1080. 1080 what? The unit is what? Inches?
Yes.
The
Power
unit
two.
inch? Power 2. This is example 1, page 464.
Mr. Yesterday I solved the check because I understand the lesson.
شوف لاني انا سمارت انت صرت سمارت صرت تحل من غير شفت كيف فهمت
Yes.
This is example 1 guys, page 464. Hope you understand it very well. Now after this example we have checked.
We have
Let's do it.
Mr. I also did the homework.
ممتاز يا احمد ممتاز لو انك عندي يعني بحط لك نجمه على وجهك ماشي رهيب بس ان شاء الله نرجع مدرستنا طيب now this is example 1 page 464 now let's do example or the check after this example we have check let's do it together okay I will send this guys to your inbox just I want to take a picture of it give me a second because I need to erase it now okay let's do the check after example 1 who can help me with the check who can help me with the check
مين السر؟
Omar read
Yes, mister.
read يا ابني
The
do you understand
Yes, everything.
يلا
The white section of the scoreboard is a
سكر
regular soccer ball is
هي
a
سكر بس يعني صارت سكر continue
yes, ball is a regular hexagon. Each side of the hexagon is 1.8 inches.
بس regular what we have regular ايش
Hexagon.
hexagon and here we wrote that the hexagon is how many sides
Hexagon.
Six
Seven?
sides
Six.
no 6 so I'll try to graph it here hexagon with 6 sides 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and it is regular regular means what's this the regular means ya Umar
All the sides are equal.
ممتاز the side length how much it's given
1.8 inches.
1.8 so all of the sides are what
1.8.
1.8 and the height in the graph is given also what's the height
1.56.
ممتاز so I'll split it how I'll split it guys I'll start from the center this is the center and make lines to the corners make lines to the vertices these points we call them vertices plural of vertex vertices okay how many triangles we will have ya Omar
8. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 because we have 6 sides we will have 6 triangles the height is given how much here
1.56
1.56 what's the unit
inches.
inches good if the height 1.56 means all of the height of all of the triangles also the same right
Yes.
1.56 for all so we have 6 triangles each triangle of them has base 1.8 and height 1.56 right
Yes.
how we find the area this is the question
Area equal 6 multiply
أيوة.
6 multiply
علقنا ايوه بغششك.
Yes, the area of a triangle.
Good. 6 multiply area of لا تنسى هذه مهمة. A triangle. I mean by this one, by a triangle, enough to find area of one triangle. يعني بكفي. طب equal. If you wrote this, guys, if you wrote this, the next step will be clear. If you wrote the first step correct, the 6 comes down. Now I want what? The area of the triangle. We know the formula. What is that?
Area multiply B area
لا لحظة اهدى تتهورش. Area of the triangle is what?
Area equal
ايوه
1/2 multiply the base and the height.
ما فيش and. انسى الand. اقرأها.
1/2
بس
BH.
half BH سهلة. half BH 3 كلمات. Equal.
Half BH.
6 multiply. Now let's replace the base and the height of the triangles. Half multiply. What's the base?
1 and 1.8.
يا ابني انسى الآن دخيلك أنا. انساها الآن هذه لا تحكوها. 1.8. What's the height?
1.56.
Now, if you put the numbers correct, use your calculator with one click, the answer will be, we have 6 multiply half multiply 1.8 multiply 1.56. The answer is 8.424 thousandths. Now look at the board. This is the answer. Okay, Omar?
Yes.
Now go to the question and كمل.
Area of the hexagon round to the nearest hundredth.
To the nearest hundredth. 100. Remember we took it before.
Yes.
Before هذه the number, the first number after the decimal, what we call it, guys? We call it
100. No, tens.
Tenths. مش tenths.
Tenth.
Tenths. THS. Remember grade 5.
Yes.
The 2, what we call it?
100.
Hundredths with THS. Hundredths. Hundredths. This D make it silent. Hundredths. Okay. Now we need to round to the nearest hundredths. Means I need to round the 2. How we round the numbers? Do you know, Omar?
Yes. Yes.
How?
It will be 0.
ال2 بتصير 0.
Yes, because it's
بتزعل
nearest.
منك والله. ما هي 2 كيف بتخليها 0؟ بتزعل. لا. How we round the numbers, guys? We take a look to the number after the wanted
After
number.
it, yes. And
what? 4.
4. It will
Now,
be 0.
if you remember, guys, if the next number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, we don't add 1. If the next number 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, we add 1, right? مش أخذناها؟ So the 2 will be what here? Stay 2, or we add 1 to the 2?
Stay 2.
Stay 2, and the 4 is gone. So the rounded here for the nearest hundredths is 8.42. What? What's the unit? Inch. Inches power 2. This is the check page 464, guys. Copy it, please.
So I have a question.
What?
We have 6 sides. Why we don't multiply? We said 1.8 multiply 6 plus 1.56 multiply 6.
لا غلط. Use this way. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. This is the check, guys, page 464. Please copy quickly. Copy quickly. Sorry. Now, if you finish the copying of this check, go to page 466. 466. If you finish copying of this one, go to page 466. Go there. Abdul Hamid.
Mister, can I ask a question before I
What?
answer? Mister, why we always say to the power of 2?
Because in the area, to find the area, you need 2 dimensions. 2 dimensions.
Yeah,
2
base and
dimensions.
height.
Power 2, it is not a value. هذه مش value, not a number. هذه index that you are dealing with area which needs 2 dimensions. Got it?
Okay, thank you. Read.
Yeah. Now in page 466, what we have?
Check.
We have check. Let's do it together. Yeah. Read.
Morgan designed a stained glass window to be added above the door at the community center. The window is shaped like an octagon with 15-inch sides. Octagon.
Read. Continue. Read.
Continue with 15-inch
يا
sides.
زلمة read.
If
أيوة.
stained glass costs 0.70 per square inch, how much will she spend on the window?
Hello. This is the octagon which is graphed in your book. See,
Yes,
the height is given and the base is given, right?
right.
What is the base?
The base is 15-inch.
15 inches. Good. What is
The
the height?
18.107
18.107, like this.
inch, yeah.
Inches. Good. They want, and they said each square foot, each 1 feet square cost how much?
Each 1 inch square.
$0.70, right?
Mr. Not feet. Inch.
Inch, ماشي. Each square inch cost how much?
0.70.
Good. This is given. This is given. This is given. They want from us to know what's the whole sign, the whole octagon cost. Got it?
Got it.
Now, what's the first step to know the whole cost, ya Abdul Hamid? What we need to find?
We will find the area of the octagon. So you divide
Exactly.
the octagon.
First step, guys, we know the cost of each 1 inch square. But to know the total cost, we need to know the whole area, then multiply
Then
with this
divide.
number, right? Multiply, not divide. ايش اللي
sorry.
divide? ركز حبيبي. Now let's make triangles here. From the center, do your lines.
Yes.
Okay? We have how many triangles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the height, not 2 triangles هذول, okay?
Yeah.
All of the triangles have the same base and same height, right?
Right.
Yeah. Let's find the area of the whole triangle. Not triangle, the whole octagon.
8 multiply.
Yeah, wait. A equal 8 multiply area
half BH.
of a triangle. You need to copy this.
Okay.
مش بنلعب احنا. Equal 8 multiply the area of the triangle half BH, right?
Right.
Equal 8 multiply half multiply the base how much?
Base
15. The height how much?
18.107.
18.107. Equal. Use your calculator and multiply. We have 8 multiply 0.5 multiply 15 multiply 18.107. The answer is 1,086.42 inches power 2. Look here, guys.
Yes.
This is the whole area of the whole octagon, okay? Now, each 1 square inch, each one cost 0.70, given from the question. What's the total cost will be? The total or the cost will be. What it will be, Ya Abdul Hamid?
Wait, sorry, wait.
Hello?
Yes, yes, mister.
Do you know, Ibni, or you don't know? I have 1 minute only.
Yes, yes, I know.
How we know the cost, Ibni? How we know the cost?
We will multiply.
Multiply what with what? Huh?
The answer of the area with the 1 inch per square
With the
feet.
cost of each
0.6.
square inch, exactly. So it is 1,086.42 multiply 0.70,
It is
which is equal to
75.894.
multiply 0.70 or 75 here.
75.894.
70, I mean, not 75. This is equal 760.49 dollars. Here, I found the area. They told me that each 1 inch square costs 0.7. I found the area, then I multiplied by 0.7, which is the same of 0.70. This is the total money needed for this octagon. This is the lesson. We finished now. Now, what you do today, guys, what you will do? You will do the homework. Don't forget that. And don't forget your online assignment starts from today at 2 p.m. expires at 11 p.m. on Saturday. Started from today, finished at or expires at 11 p.m. on Saturday. This is your lesson. I'll send all of these exercises to your inbox and try to understand it very well. Do your homework, do your online assignment, and enjoy your weekend too. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions, you can ask me in the next class, inshallah. Goodbye for all. Badr.